Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford. I'm here to share another video titled Tax Talk, Episode 5. We're going over briefly 8829 expenses for business use for your home. So this form here people use who basically got a home-based business, but they have a designated space used on a regular basis for their business that they can write off inside their business when it comes to this particular form, which is linked to line 30 of the Schedule C. So if you're not familiar with 8829 and Schedule C, which is profit and loss from business, these two forms go hand in hand. So that's how that works basically. So if you are new to this industry, you're new to income tax preparation, and you're looking to get started, this channel will help you to build a basic foundation to getting started. If you're looking to build on that and get some mentorship and guidance coaching, I have a program designed just for you, individuals new to the industry, new to getting started, new to all the different components to being in business, especially the income tax preparation industry, and you want to streamline your success, you want to shortcut that by having a mentor and a coach who can walk you through the process of getting you set up, get you started, answering all your questions concerning the business aspects on the front end as well as the back end. Then I'm the guy you definitely want to look into, or someone who has my skill sets in that area. So in this video, 8829 is the expenses for business use for home, and part one asks you some questions to help determine what type of deduction you'll be able to get that's going to carry over to line C, Schedule C, line 30 of that form. And so part one asks you the area used regularly and exclusively for business, regular for daycare or for storage or inventory or products or samples. See instructions. Line 2 is total area of home. Line 3 gives you instructions on what to do with that. Daycare facilities not used exclusively for business go to line 4. All others go to line 7. So if they have, specific instructions concerning this form, that's going to be helpful to the person who has a home-based business based on what type of business that is. And so when you basically get to part 2, you have different expenses that you may be able to deduct, and they got them under direct expense and indirect. And so when it comes to that form and the expenses they have, you basically can look and see which ones apply to you when it comes to that, and put down what you have concerning the office use of a home when it comes to that situation. When it comes to the videos that I share on this channel, they all be basic overviews, nothing in detail, and that's for a purpose and a reason, just to let you know and give you simple insight to some basic knowledge that I have, that if you want more in-depth insight, that's when you would invest in my coaching program for individuals who are new to the industry, who want to make a career out of it, and who want to position themselves to make life-changing income and impact the lives of other people by helping them with their individual income tax preparation situations. So that's what my videos are intended to do, is just give you an overview, give you an introduction to anything deeper than that. You must invest in what I've invested in over the last 18 years, the last 12 as an entrepreneur in this industry and in this space, with my time and my money and my sacrifice and all of the things that I had to invest in to get to where I am and to develop the courses and programs I had to offer. Is the end result of that. So if you understand that this forum here is going to be able to help you with clients that you may have that may have a home-based business and it's connected to having a Schedule C, which is another name for profit and loss from business. They go together. Then, you know, this is what you can use to help you get started. The key to my success is I've always been the type of guy who lived on the internet ever since I've been introduced to the internet. The internet is my number one go-to source for research across all areas of what I do concerning business as well as personal. And so to become resourceful and creative is key to being an entrepreneur / business owner. Because if you can't figure out solutions to problems, if you can't come up with answers to situations that come up in business for your business, then you tend to get stuck. Your business tend to be stagnated, and you find yourself just eventually over time, if that's an ongoing situation with you, you eventually may just give up. You know, so being able to be resourceful enough to go outside of yourself and be able to get the answer or the solution or the problem solved by going to resources on the internet concerning your problems. You know, especially what we talk about income tax preparation industry, being an income tax preparation service and provider, and going through the process of getting that set up is where you make your money from. You know, I make my money because I had the ability to get paid directly from the client. Either my client is positioned financially that they're going to pay me out of their pocket through cash or credit or debit, or they're going to have clients who fall into a whole other category, which are low income families who get nice sized returns, who gonna pay me through their refunds, where I have a third party bank who assists me with getting that done. So, you know, we have two different methods of being able to get paid based on what type of clientele you're servicing. And that's important. That's where the leverage comes in by being a tax service and having your electronic filing identification number is the key to that. Without having that number, you're not considered a tax service because you don't fully be able to buy professional software. You're not able to participate with third-party banks, and so you're left out of being able to be a full-service income tax service on a professional and legal level with your clients. You know, you have some people who have an EIN number and they have a PTIN, but the missing link is the EFIN number, which is the electronic filing identification number. That's the number that gives you the power to go out and get professional software from professional vendors. It gives you the power to go out and get third-party bank approval, and the professional software along with the third-party bank put together gives you the leverage to be able to collect your fees from clients who walking away with nice size refunds who are not trying to pay out of pocket. You know what I'm saying? So that's one of the things and value I bring to the marketplace by being here 18 years, the last 12 as a business owner, is that I'm not going to show you tax software that's past your pay grade if you only have a budget for $550 worth of it. So that's the big picture. But dealing with this situation at hand with the 8829 expenses for business use for home, you basically have to read line by line, answer the questions, and go through the form, and definitely have instructions with you to help assist you if you're not familiar already with how to fill out 8829 and how that links to the Schedule C, profit and loss from business. You know, always have your instructional sheets that go with all your different forms and schedules as a fail-safe and a backup for some things you may not just be familiar with, regardless of how long you've been in the industry. So in this video, you know, just a brief overview of the 8829 and let you know what it's intended for and how it works from a brief level. And then again, if you looking to make a career in this industry like I've already have, and you want to fast track that and shortcut that and not try to figure this out on your own and make all the different type of mistakes I made, then definitely reach out to me in the description area. I'm going to have contact information that you can reach out to me with. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notification. So every time I do a live or upload a video, you'll be notified of the content. This original channel and the content that's up here now are designed for current students and future students to come and use to help them with their education when it comes to income tax preparation that I offer in my program. That way, when I'm not able to give them 24/7 care, because there's no such thing as that, they can always come here and learn much as they can, take notes, give me feedback on our live Q&A sessions every week for things they don't understand, and so they get the support they need. That's going to cover the whole aspects of them being their own income tax service, their own boss, their own employer, which puts them on a whole nother playing field, because now they have to learn more things and stuff than an employee would, because they position themselves on a whole nother level as far as being a boss in business. And so, again, Tax Talk, episode 5, 8829, expenses for business use of a home. If you're not familiar with this, and this link to Schedule C, you want more mentorship and coaching and guidance, you want to invest in me, in my program, and leverage the 18 years of experience and training that I've invested in this industry for yourself, that's priceless based on the price point I put on it. Just definitely reach out to me and let me know what concerns you may have that I can definitely answer and squash for you going forward, that you can make a sound decision on getting started and building a foundation for yourself inside your business. And I'll see you in my next video.